Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create beautiful end screen video for your YouTube videos. So guys, end screen videos are most important for your YouTube channel because it is very helpful to gain views for your YouTube videos. You can see this type of end screen you can use in your video as well, and we will create this end screen video using our KineMaster application. So watch this video till the end and you will learn how to create end screen video for your YouTube videos. So you can use this video in your all videos and you can create beautiful animated and beautiful end screen video for your YouTube video. So first of all, you need to have an premium account on KineMaster, otherwise you will get watermark in your videos. Okay, so first of all I am going to select my background and increase your layer up to 10 to 12 seconds. Okay guys, it is very important. So after that, just click here and click on stickers option. Here you need to download level up sticker. You will find this in your KineMaster store. Okay, so go to sticker section here and you will get this sticker from here. So download it, and it is very unique and it is very new for our YouTube channel. So let's create our beautiful end screen animation. For that, just click on that level up option, then select here this image. Okay, then zoom this image to cover your screen. Okay, like this. Okay guys, now our background is changed, and increase that layer up to your video. Okay, after that you need to type some text here. So I am going to type thanks for watching text. Press OK. After that, just change font style here. So I'm going to change font style. You can use any font. Okay, so it is pretty much good. Then scroll up here and set according to your style. Okay guys, I'm going to create some basic end screen, but you can edit according to you. After that, you can give animations as well. Okay, so first I will add some more layers here. So go to draw section, then select any color whichever you want, then click here and select this option guys. Okay, this option. Okay, after that just draw here like this, like draw this like line this. Okay, draw this line. Okay, after that you can see this is the line layer. Increase your layer again. After that, just manage your layer according to your text. Okay, now go to animation section and give this animation and set 1.5 scale here and press OK. Done guys. Now you can see it's looking good, and create one duplicate as well and scroll to up. Okay guys, now you can see now it's looking great. Now adjust your text between these two lines. So I'm going to adjust. You can use, okay, so like this. You can set this animation to your text and set 1.5 scale here as well. Okay, and click on out animation and give this animation, then select 1.5 scale and press OK. Now you can see it's looking great. Now time to add our video frames. Okay, so let's add. Go to stickers section. Okay, just go to stickers section and go to level up, and here you will get this frame. Okay, decrease some size here like this and set on the left side. It is for one video. Okay guys, after that just increase the layer here. Now time to add some animation. So go to in animation and select this animation and increase scale to 1.5. After that go to out animation and select this one and set 1.5 scale and press OK. Okay, now you can see it's looking great. Now create duplicate here and swipe from right like this. Okay, so set according to you guys, small, big, which design you want, you can set according to you. Okay, now in the middle space we will add our logo, but you can see now looking great. Now we are going to add text below the frames, okay, for previous video and next video, or previous video or playlist video. Okay, so I'm going to clone this text. Okay, click on duplicate and set here and change the text here and name it like previous video. Set this text according to your frame like this. Now create duplicate. Okay, again create duplicate for this text like this and go here and set this. Then again change this text style and change the text. So I'm going to add playlist here. You can set next video or playlist, anything whatever you want to set for your frame, you can set it. So I'm going to write playlist and you can see now it's looking great. Now you can see. Okay, so it's looking great. Now we are going to add our logo between these two frames. So just click here, then go to media and select one background image here like this. Change color, go to cropping section, guys, cropping section, enable this option, go here, select circle, then zoom like this, then press OK. Now you can see this is your circle. You can set according to your frame space. Okay, so you can see now set this image between your two frames. This is my style of end screen. You can create your own style as well, but you can use this technique to do that. Okay, so just set some animations here as well, set 1.5 and press OK. Then out animation as well, guys, don't forget. Okay, 1.5 and press OK. Now you can see our animation is ready. You can see it's looking great. One more text we need between our logo, so we will add this one as well. So just clone this text again, duplicate and scroll here and set according to this. Now we are going to change the title for subscribe now. Okay guys, subscribe now. Go here and enable background color, then select any color. I am going to use red and do velocity full, and you can see you can change like this and it is looking pretty good. Now go to animations, but we don't need any animation because we already did. Okay, so adjust according to you. After that just play your video and you can see now our end screen is pretty much ready. But one thing is pending here. I'm going to tell you what it is. So you can see it is extra layers here, so we need to cut them. So we are going to cut that extra part. Okay guys, so all layers are cut properly and you can see now one more step here pending. I'm going to add video fade out effect. Just enable this option and press OK. It will increase your productivity. Okay, so it will add fade out animation and in end screen. Okay, you can see this type of animation. Now just your video is ready. Go to export and export your video. If you have premium version, then you will not get any watermark, otherwise you will get made by KineMaster watermark in your video. Okay, so just export here. Done guys, your video is ready. Go to your gallery or any MX player, then open export folder and you will get this video. You can see this video is ready and it is looking very good. You can add this video in your upcoming YouTube videos. Okay, with this method you can add your video and channel logo into your end screen according to your need. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. I will tell you more tips and tricks about YouTube. So thank you so much for watching.